Here I have Realme C25Y, and today I'm going to show you how to enable installation from the unknown sources on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the apps and notifications section, then go to the special app access, and here you can find install unknown apps. Here you can see the whole list of apps through which you can install unknown apps. So let's pick for example Chrome, and then you just have to tap allow from this source. And now you can install unknown applications through the Google Chrome as much as you want. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.